Very good evening from London. US equity markets have trended higher throughout the session today. The upside move slightly exaggerated due to the thin volumes. In terms of catalysts for the risk-on trends, very little attention was paid to the economic data out pre-market. Otherwise, we'll be focusing on a couple of European stories. Firstly, out of Spain, there's been a think tank report doing the rounds that there could be large intervention into the Spanish bond markets as and when Spain does request aid. And apart from that, we have seen comments out of German Chancellor Merkel reaffirming her support for the euro and for the ECB. So this has been seized upon by traders as a positive sentiment, helping the equity markets move to the upside. Otherwise, the Nasdaq 100 today has outperformed a couple of the pre-market earnings in the Nasdaq 100 stocks, both after the market closed yesterday and this morning. Out of the likes of Sears Holdings, Cisco and EA has helped the Nasdaq outperform and the tech sector as a whole. Otherwise, it's been very much a story of individual news regarding particular stocks. Elsewhere in the fixed income markets, given the strength in the US equity space, US 10-year notes have traded in negative territory throughout the session. Particular focus on the 200 DMA, the yield mark coming in at 1.865%. As we approach that level, we have seen dip buyers emerge back into the 10s, but it's likely that that 200 DMA will catch attention in the sessions ahead. Elsewhere, another good session for WTI and Brent crude futures, which have made serious gains in the session today as the Middle Eastern tensions continue to price in uncertainty and therefore the energy markets moving to the upside. There was a brief pullback on the release of comments out of a White House source saying that there could be further considerations to an SPR release, but given that this is unlikely to occur before any US presidential elections, the energy markets did shrug this off also. Elsewhere in the currency space, the dollar index has generally trended to the downside given the risk-on themes, and that's helped support particularly the euro currency as flight to the riskier assets has continued. And also the commodity-linked currencies, given the strength in the energy complex, as previously noted, have outperformed. Aussie dollar firmly back above the 105 handle, and also dollar CAD trading in negative territory. Otherwise, again, has been previously noted that his thin volumes continuing forward, and this is likely to continue tomorrow. There's nothing too heavy in the data calendar for tomorrow's session. Otherwise, that's enough from me. Hope you've had a good trading day, and we'll join you tomorrow. Thank you.